This video is for educational purposes only. It provides guidance on breastfeeding and breast pump use for new mothers. This content is not sexual or suggestive. Always follow safe practices when pumping and caring for your baby.
Hello, this is Milana. Welcome to a calm and mindful feeding routine. Find a quiet place where you feel safe and comfortable. Sit back, support your body, and take a deep breath in. Then slowly breathe out. Begin feeding at your own natural pace. There is no need to hurry or compare. Comfort is always the priority. Keep your shoulders relaxed and your arms supported. Let your breathing stay slow and steady throughout the session. Each inhale brings calm. Each exhale helps your body soften and release tension. If you notice discomfort, gently pause and adjust. Listening to your body is part of the process. When you finish, take a short pause. Breathe deeply and enjoy this moment of stillness before continuing your day.